Oh, someone's walking and we're dancing. Guys, we're currently in a church and we have churches at home, but I've never seen one like this. Actually really sad, but it's not the right place for us. Guys, we're in the airport now and we are off to Spain. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that notification bell and stay tuned all the way to the end because
we've got such an amazing vlog for you guys.
Look at my bum in my nose. It's so wonky. Train. Oh my god, MC! It's got MC on the number plate. First night out in Spain and it is raining. Well, this is the first. Anyway, moving on. I'm actually quite cold. I've got my jeans on, my little jumper, and we are off to this nice place where we had we started a street party here last year. Okay, it's day 2. Do not mind the state of me. I'm not putting any makeup on because it's literally the morning and there's no point. But yeah, I think it's just the lighting. Yeah. Anyway, we have just booked Racquetball as a family here because they do that here. So you're going to want to stay tuned because I cannot do any type of sport. So yeah. It is also actually freezing. I put this gym kit on just for fun, but I'm actually so cold. Look, it's just the lighting. My skin is actually quite good.
It's a rally. The aim of the game is...
No, you need to catch that so you can feed it.
No.
Did I win that?
No, you would have won that.
Rosie! That's gone over! Yes, you won us a point! Yes!
Right, I'm playing racquetball and I'm not very good, to be honest.
Well done. That's a point.
He's proper aiming for love.
Let's bounce off the back now.
Look what I can do. Look, flip up and down.
Come on.
Pretty impressive. Right, turn it off now. Ah!
It's annoying me.
Never seen a rainbow.
So close to us. Oh my god, are we driving into it? Check this rainbow out. Biggest rainbow I've seen in my life. Night out at the Volta. Really excited.
What is it?
Wishing well.
What's that bit there? Oh, it's the what? What if someone just walks in?
Oh, someone's walking and we're dancing. Dad, look here. Tonight we are at Old Town, and it is so beautiful here. Literally one of my favourite places in Spain, where we are. Just look how beautiful this is. romantic in Spain. We're going go-karting and I get one of the bigger cars now because I'm 16, so it's like 10 to 15 normal cars and then 16 plus really fast cars. A helmet. Put it on then.
I used to hate these when I was younger.
All she wanted was first, and there she is on the board.
Yeah, both right. Podium.
It's Valentine's night. This is my outfit. We are going for dinner at this place called Fortaz and it's actually so nice. We've been here before. Last time we came here we started a street party, but they've got a live DJ tonight and a live singer.
Take a photo. On the horizon! On the horizon!
Guys, this is nearly the end of my vlog. It's not the end because we still have to go to the airport, but this is the end of this journey at where I am currently, and we have been here for about 6 years. When this first got built, we sat down near that pool when there was no trees, no nothing, and I was the first person to get in that pool once it was filled up. And we've got so many memories here, so emotional, and we'll probably never see it again. So we have sold it to some new people are moving in, and we are on to the next chapter because I want to go mobs. Anyway guys, we've got to go to the airport now. Come and have a look at my room. This was our little room. I slept at the top and that is actually too small for me now. Our bathroom. Spent so much time doing TikToks for you guys, realised it has no good lighting. Oh, also, I set up my first ever TikTok at this place on these stairs and I've done the stair shuffle. I remember it. In about 2019. Look how dirty these stairs are now. But I done the, what's it called? It's like that thing. That thing. I was about 10 years old. And now I'm turning 17 this year. Actually really sad. But it's not the right place for us. Barb's is. Also guys, my new song Hurt So Good is out now. Click the bottom left square to listen. And subscribe to my channel for 2 videos a week. Love you all, bye!
Yeah, I'm really getting to know me.